Virginia plows. Yay! Oh, did he get stuck again?
He's trying not to.
And that is why you don't have an SUV for a plow. Yeah, he's sliding. He's stuck again. Hit the wiper. Oh, I thought they were gonna hit for a second. Oh, meanwhile,
That guy's stuck too. He's trying to get. Oh. They have a tractor over there trying to push him. All I can think is.
oh, this guy's stuck again. I don't know if you can get the full effect of his tires spinning. Would you like to hit the wiper blades again? Thank you, ma'am. I think the pickup truck is stuck again, too. Wow. The struggle is real. He's gonna try and push him out again. Oh, he's spinning. Dude, look at how bad he's smoking his tire trying to get out of there.
No, he's stuck.
Yeah.
There's too much snow there.
Yeah.
It's deeper than that.
Why would you try and play the role of a fucking snowplow in a Suburban or whatever that is? He's still just spinning.
He's gonna kill his tires.
Yeah, he is.